There was a delivery done in of the 18 Marines, supposedly the joint affidavit of the 18 Marines.
Mukhang nagkabukingan na dahil sa huling pahayag ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla, some leads in the Maleta revelations appear to trace back to the previous administration. Ano pa nga ba kundi ang rehimen ni Digongyo? Tiyak na magagalit na naman dito ang mga perpetually outraged na DDS.
Pointed to a delivery to one of the Congress persons, no? One of the congressmen or congresswomen. But when we investigated that angle, it appears that this delivery was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco.
Ayon kay Remulla, isa sa mga tinutukoy umanong delivery ng pera na nasa affidavit ng so-called 18 ex-Marines ay nangyari pa noong House Speaker si Lord Alan Velasco, which means na yung delivery ng maleta ng pera ay panahon pa ni Digongyo. Panoorin ang buong pahayag ni Ombudsman Remulla.
That picture that was put in the affidavit was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. So it's not an entirely accurate depiction of even pictures. What you see here is really a manipulation of facts to make it appear that that was done, but actually they were playing with timelines, and this is one timeline that they played with, that this happened before the term of President Marcos. Some of them, at least, one picture that was used in the affidavit would show us that it was done during the time of Lord Velasco as Speaker of the House. At least just one of them. I'm not talking about the others, but there was one picture there that was put in the affidavit that was actually taken before we assumed office.
Sir, itong photo na to, ito yung may maleta na din-deliver.
Maleta na dineliver sa isang tao.
But were you able to confirm anong laman nung maleta?
Ang report sa amin, pera yun naman. Pera yun naman. Oh, pero yung report niya, it was delivered during that time. So, you're talking about something happening before 2022. Ano dito? I have reason to believe that my defensor was called to task already by people concerned with that picture that was shown.
Are you saying, sir, that the photo came from former Congressman Mike
Well,
Defensor?
he was instrumental in putting together the affidavit. I think we all know that. He's not denying it anyway.
Sir, may specific date po yung...
I'll find out again, but it's a very reliable person telling me that that picture was taken before, during the time that Lord Velasco was still the Speaker of the House. So there was a delivery of money already at that time.
So, sir, it's the same ex-Marines who are
Same
doing
ex-Marines. Same
delivery.
ex-Marines, yes. But we're still looking for the individual affidavits based on personal knowledge of all of them. That is so important. Mahalaga po yan na yung sinasabi ng bawat isang lumagda dyan ay sarili nilang kaalaman. Hindi sa narinig nila o nabasa nila sa kanilang chat group. Kasi may chat group yung mga yan eh. Ang problema, marami hong lumabas sa affidavit na akala mo lahat sila nandun. Pero alam naman natin na hindi maaaring mangyari yun. At 18 tao lagi ang kasama sa bawat pagkilos na naroon, ay tila hindi naman ito tugma sa normal na katotohanan.
Sir, may we confirm yung yung sinasabi nila na these 18 alleged Marines were summoned by the Office of the Ombudsman?
Oh, I think that our investigators, fact-finding natin.
Yes, sir.
The fact-finding already summoned them. Kasi nga, bigyan mo kami ng 18 kayong pipirma, dito kakusapin namin kayo, tatanungin namin kayo sa lahat ng inyong pinirmahan. Diba? Yun nga, magsasabit ka ng dokumento dito, panindigan mo. Huwag mo sasayangin ang oras ng opisina namin. Kaya dapat, panindigan nyo lahat. Tsaka, ilagay nyo yung detalye ng bawat isang tao kung saan siya kasama. Kasi sabihin natin, there were 200 deliveries or 100 deliveries. Kasama ba siya sa 100 deliveries? Hindi siya nawala kahit minsan. Eh, yung tinatanong natin dito, eh marami dyan, siguro nakatatlong delivery, nakaapat, nakalima, pero hindi 100. Pero sinasabi nun, 100 magkakasama silang lahat. Pag pumirma ka, lumagda ka sa affidavit na yon. Eh, di ba dapat yan, personal knowledge eh. Kaya yun ang gusto natin malaman. Lilinawin lang natin, kasi ang hinahabol natin dito yung kamalian pa rin. The act itself is still what we're after. Siyempre, gusto natin malaman talaga kung ano nangyari. Not to find fault on anybody, but to know if somebody can vouch for every action. Kung sino talaga ang pwedeng managot. Sabihin natin, delivery sa isang bahay. Sino-sino yung kasama sa delivery sa bahay na yun, sa date na yun. Kasi, ganun talaga ang pag-iimbestiga. Hindi pwede yung general statements lang. Na sabi-sabi, sama-sama ang lahat. You're talking about serious